Hey everyone, today I will be showing you how to animate Midjourney images for free, a step-by-step guide. Are you a fan of creating images in Midjourney and wondering how to bring these still images to life? You are in the right place. I will guide you through the simplest way to add motion to your Midjourney images. So, stay with me till the end to get a step-by-step guide. But before we get into the specifics, let me provide a quick overview of our channel. If you are interested in staying informed about the newest AI tools and becoming proficient in using them effectively, you are in the right spot. Our channel offers easy-to-follow tutorials and is dedicated to keeping you well informed. Please don't forget to click that subscribe button. Your support helps us create even more valuable content. Now, let us get started. We will start by generating images in our Midjourney server. We are going to create about 3 images and we will animate them later. Once your image is generated, it is time to save them. You have a couple of convenient options for preserving your image. You can either right-click on the image and choose Save Image As, or you can click on the image, select Open in the browser, and from there, use Save Image As. To maintain the best image quality, I recommend saving it in PNG format. Now, let us animate these Midjourney images. We will be using Runway ML Gen 2 for this purpose. This powerful tool is changing the game when it comes to content creation, making it incredibly easy to transform static images into dynamic videos. Assuming you already have an account, let's go directly to our dashboard. On the dashboard, you will discover a variety of creative tools. Our focus today is on Gen 2, particularly creating videos from images. Let us dive into Gen 2. Click on it and begin by uploading the Midjourney images we saved earlier. Start with the first image you have chosen. To begin, click on the Drop an Image section and choose the Midjourney image you want to turn into a video. Keep in mind that the upload process might take some time, depending on the file size. Once your image is successfully uploaded, click the Generate button and then patiently wait for the transformation to complete. And there you have it. Your image has been magically transformed into an engaging video. You can even download these animations. Right-click and select Save or use the provided download button. Now, let us explore how you can have even more control over your animated creations. Click on the prompt box. This is where your creativity can shine. Enter anything you like, a sentence, a single word, or a detailed description of the story you want to convey. Your prompt guides the AI, turning your words into visual elements during the image-to-video conversion process. With your prompt entered, click Generate again and witness your image responding to your words. In just seconds, your static image transforms to align with the mood and atmosphere you envision. It is like bringing your thoughts to life through moving art. Now, compare this video, influenced by your prompt, to the ones generated earlier. With the prompt, it exhibits more dynamic motion compared to the first one. The creative possibilities are boundless. Adding cues to your image-to-video projects opens up new creative horizons. The future of this technology holds immense promise, and I am thrilled to see how content creators will harness AI image-to-video conversion for their projects. For the remaining Midjourney images, just repeat the same process. Transforming your Midjourney images into videos with Runway ML Gen 2 is a straightforward and efficient process. Now, I'd like to hear from you. Do you appreciate how the image can be turned into videos? Have you had the chance to try it out for yourself? Your feedback is highly valuable, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out and would love to see you in the next video.